Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're traveling back to the late 1960s, a time when American luxury meant bold styling, powerful engines, and unmatched road presence. And no car captured that spirit better than the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, the personal luxury coupe that redefined style and performance for Cadillac. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap up with why this classic still turns heads today. Exterior. The 1968 Cadillac Eldorado is a statement on wheels. At first glance, you're greeted by its sharp, clean lines and long, low-slung profile that screams confidence. This was the second year of the redesigned Eldorado body that debuted in '67, and it carried that sleek, almost futuristic design with hidden headlights and a knife-edge front grille that instantly set it apart. The long hood and short rear deck give it that perfect grand touring proportion, while the crisp body lines add an air of sophistication. In 1968, Cadillac added a few subtle updates, like revised parking lights, a restyled grille, and optional vinyl roof treatments to enhance the car's upscale appearance. From every angle, the Eldorado looks like a luxury missile, aerodynamic, elegant, and unmistakably Cadillac. Interior. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by pure American luxury. The cabin of the 1968 Eldorado was designed for comfort, not compromise. Soft leather upholstery, deep pile carpeting, and wood grain accents made you feel like you were in a first-class lounge rather than just a car. Everything was power-operated, from windows to seats, and Cadillac even offered climate control, a feature that was cutting-edge for its time. The dashboard layout was clean and driver-focused, with a horizontal speedometer and chrome accents that caught the light beautifully. Passengers were treated to generous space, plush seating, and that unmistakable Cadillac ride quality that made every journey feel effortless. Performance. Now, let's talk power, because the 1968 Eldorado wasn't just about looks. Under the hood sat Cadillac's mighty 472 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an impressive 375 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque, a serious figure even by today's standards. What made the Eldorado special was that it was front-wheel drive, a rare setup for a luxury coupe of its size at the time. This allowed for a smoother floor pan, better traction, and more interior space. Despite weighing over 2 tons, the Eldorado could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8 seconds, quite fast for a luxury cruiser of the late 60s. The car came equipped with a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, power steering, and disc brakes, ensuring smooth and confident handling. On the road, it glided with authority, quiet, composed, and incredibly stable, even at highway speeds. It was a true gentleman's muscle car. The 1968 Cadillac Eldorado stands as a timeless icon of American luxury and engineering. It combined style, innovation, and power in a way few cars of its era could match. From its bold design to its plush interior and impressive performance, the Eldorado represented Cadillac's golden age, when "standard of the world" wasn't just a slogan, but a promise. Even today, more than 50 years later, the '68 Eldorado remains one of the most desirable classic Cadillacs ever built, a true symbol of sophistication and strength on 4 wheels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into classic cars that shaped automotive history. Which Cadillac do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments below.